There. Okay, so it's out of the way. Put this on. Okay. Maybe I better put the bridle on next. Okay. That worked. That's a real spring. This is kind of a cool thing. It wants to fly off. All right, well, we gotta put this guy back in. This screw goes, the lighter that trigger is. And it'll get to a point where it won't hold. So you only go in until, okay, so let's set it. When I screw this in, at some point it's going to trip itself. That's too far. What I'm doing is pulling the trigger right now. It's actually on the back end of it, but I'm doing the same as pulling the trigger. So I'm going to pull the trigger till it goes off all by itself. Okay, that was too much, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to back off, we'll say 1 turn, see what it feels like. That's actually fairly heavy. So I'm going to go that far. Pretty close. So you play with it now. If you go in, the trigger's lighter. If you go out, it's harder. Okay?
Okay.
To have this sear bar kind of right in the middle of these two so that they both will do the job. When you set it, the set trigger is going to come flying up when I pull the front trigger. That bangs it. And then in normal operation, if you just want a single trigger not set, when you pull this one, it hits the sear. So it has to do with getting these in the right place and the right height. So I'm sure Kibler got it right.